At the very edge of our solar system, where the sun's light is faint and distant, there lies a world of striking beauty and mystery, a world that often goes overlooked in our daily gaze to the stars. Neptune, the eighth planet from the sun, a colossal giant of swirling clouds and icy winds, beckons us to explore its icy depths. But it is not just the planet itself that captures our imagination. It is the captivating moons that orbit it, each a world unto itself, hidden in the shadows of Neptune's immense gravity. These moons, frozen and distant, hold secrets that may one day reveal answers to questions we've only just begun to ask. Beneath the frigid gaze of Neptune, a group of moons spins in silent, perpetual dance. Each one, though distant and small in the grand scheme of the cosmos, carries with it a story, tales of ancient impacts, the building blocks of planetary formation, and perhaps even the potential for life in the most unexpected places. Neptune's moons are more than just frozen rocks. They are windows into the distant past of our solar system and perhaps windows into the possibility of life beyond Earth. At the heart of Neptune's moon system lies Triton, a world that has captivated scientists and dreamers alike for centuries. This moon, the largest of Neptune's satellites, is a true jewel of the outer solar system. It is not only remarkable for its size, but for the mystery that surrounds it. Triton is the only large moon in our solar system that orbits its planet in a retrograde direction, meaning, unlike the rest of Neptune's moons, it moves in the opposite direction to the planet's spin. This odd orbit hints at a fascinating history. Triton may not have originally belonged to Neptune. Instead, it could be a captured object, perhaps a wanderer from the distant Kuiper belt that was drawn in by Neptune's immense gravity millions of years ago. The surface of Triton is a frozen expanse of nitrogen ice, its icy landscape punctuated by geysers, large, active plumes of water vapor and gas that erupt from deep below the surface. These geysers hint at something extraordinary. Beneath Triton's cold exterior, there may lie a vast, hidden ocean, a subsurface sea locked away from the harsh vacuum of space. This possibility raises tantalizing questions. Could life exist in the depths of Triton's hidden ocean, protected from the frozen surface above? These geysers, some of which shoot several kilometers into space, are among the most exciting features of Triton. The discovery of such activity suggests that the moon is not only geologically active, but that it may still be evolving. Could this tell us more about the potential for life on icy moons? Could such geysers be a clue that something, or someone, lies beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered? In these plumes, we may one day find the key to understanding this enigmatic moon. While Triton may be the jewel of Neptune's moons, Proteus is a testament to the harsh, unforgiving nature of the outer solar system. Unlike Triton, Proteus is a small, irregularly shaped moon, heavily scarred by impacts. Its surface is a patchwork of craters, each one a reminder of the violent forces that shaped it over billions of years. Yet, despite its battered exterior, Proteus holds significant scientific value. With no atmosphere to shield it from the endless bombardment of space debris, Proteus bears the marks of ancient collisions, an unspoiled relic of the solar system's early history. This moon offers a unique glimpse into the chaotic formation of the solar system. By studying the craters and the layers of ice and rock beneath, we can begin to piece together the events that led to the formation of Neptune and its moons. While Proteus may not have the active features of Triton, its desolate, cratered surface makes it a fascinating object for study. It serves as a kind of time capsule, preserving the remnants of a past long gone. Proteus's ancient surface tells a story of cosmic violence and the passage of time, one that can shed light on the very origins of Neptune's moons and their place in the solar system. Far beyond the familiar realms of Neptune's more well-known moons lies Nereid, a small and enigmatic world. Its orbit is unlike any other moon in the solar system, highly elliptical and eccentric. Sometimes Nereid comes very close to Neptune, while at other times it ventures far out into the dark reaches of space. This strange orbit has puzzled scientists for decades, as it seems to defy the gravitational forces that would normally stabilize the orbits of moons. Nereid's orbit raises a number of intriguing questions. Is its path the result of a distant gravitational encounter, or perhaps the lingering effects of a collision or capture event long ago? Could it have been perturbed by another body in the distant solar system, or even by the interaction with Neptune's other moons? Whatever the cause, Nereid's eccentric orbit offers us a rare opportunity to study the complex dynamics of the outer solar system. Though it's small and distant, Nereid's surface offers a glimpse into the icy nature of Neptune's farthest moons. Composed mostly of rock and ice, it likely shares similar features to Triton and Proteus, frozen and covered with a thick layer of nitrogen ice. But what secrets does Nereid hide? Could its peculiar orbit tell us more about the forces that shaped Neptune's system? The mystery of Nereid beckons us, calling us to learn more about the farthest reaches of the planet's icy domain. In addition to these larger moons, Neptune is surrounded by a host of smaller satellites, each with its own role to play in the dynamic system of this faraway world. From Naiad, the innermost moon, to Thalassa, Despina, and Galatea, these moons orbit in relative silence, their surfaces hidden beneath layers of ice and dust. Though they may be small, these moons are not without their significance. These smaller moons are integral to the structure of Neptune's faint ring system. Their gravitational pull helps to shape the rings, maintaining their delicate balance and creating gaps and ripples that scientists continue to study. In a sense, these moons are the silent custodians of Neptune's rings, keeping the order and preserving the beauty of the planet's outermost features. The moons of Neptune are just beginning to reveal their mysteries to us, and with each passing year, we grow closer to understanding their secrets. With new missions, such as the proposed Neptune Odyssey mission, we stand on the precipice of an exciting new chapter in our exploration of the outer solar system. These moons, some frozen, some active, all fascinating, are waiting to be explored in greater detail, and they may hold the answers to questions that we have only begun to ask. Could Triton's geysers harbor microbial life from its hidden ocean? Could Proteus's craters tell us more about the violent history of the solar system's outer reaches? Could Nereid's eccentric orbit be a clue to the ancient forces that shaped Neptune's domain? These are just some of the questions that continue to drive our curiosity and our desire to uncover the truth about Neptune and its moons. As we venture into the depths of space, beyond the familiar worlds of Earth and Mars, we are reminded that the universe is filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. The moons of Neptune may be far from our reach, but they are no less important in the story of the solar system. These moons are hidden treasures, each a key to unlocking the mysteries of our distant past and perhaps the future of space exploration itself. As we look deeper into the icy reaches of Neptune's moons, we are reminded that the universe is vast, and the more we learn, the more we realize just how much there is yet to discover. The treasures of Neptune's moons are out there, waiting to be found. And who knows what extraordinary revelations lie hidden in the cold shadows of this distant world?